Building with Papa. Okay, this is now day 7 of working on this dock, and we're finishing up this end now, and then we're going to start to put the skirt on the perimeter of this dock. It's moving along quite nicely. It's looking really good. Today we want to get the skirt on and then try to get the posts up for the railing. That takes the most time, all the cutting involved, and then to install them. Installing them goes quite easy, but all the cutting to get them onto the edge of the dock takes a lot of time. All right, so now that we're putting the skirt on, we've also reinforced these two 2x12s that are going out to the boat. So what I'm doing is I'm going to put a 2x6 on edge on 3 sides of the two 2x12s, and then this way the skirt will also go around that, giving it a nice finished touch, plus making the 2x12s more secure when somebody walks across it. Okay, we're just about done with this skirt now. And as I said before, we're going to be working on the rest of the railing for the rest of the day. We're having some issues with the wind, knocking over the camera. All right, now we're going to go back to working on the railing. We're going to get as far as we can today, but it doesn't look like we're going to finish it. So we're going to have to go to day 8. All right, well, I hope you enjoy this video. I'm trying to get this railing done, but the camera falls off and actually broke, so part of this I wasn't able to record. So here at the end, I've just taken a few videos with my phone to show how far we got with the rail today. Okay, leave me a thumbs up if you can. See you on the next one.